Ripple and XRP have just made history in Dubai, becoming the first blockchain-based payment service provider officially licensed by the Dubai Financial Services Authority. This is a major leap not just for Ripple, but for the entire crypto industry in the Middle East. It confirms XRP's growing presence in the region and solidifies its role in enterprise-level adoption of digital assets across strategic global markets. Meanwhile, the crypto market remains relatively steady. Bitcoin is trading near $96,000. XRP holds at $2.22 with a minor 1% correction, and Ethereum sits around $1,833. Other assets like XLM and HBR show small dips as well. The market appears calm on the surface, but beneath that calm, key moves are taking place that could redefine the next phase of crypto adoption. Tensions between China and the United States continue to stir uncertainty. China has just stated it's evaluating possible trade talks with the U.S., despite earlier claims suggesting negotiations were already underway. This back and forth leaves investors stuck in the middle of a media tug-of-war that is clearly affecting market sentiment. It's becoming more evident that these mixed messages serve to manipulate both traditional and crypto markets, especially as capital continues to shift behind the scenes. On that note, Michael Saylor MicroStrategy has announced plans to raise a staggering $84 billion to buy more Bitcoin. At the same time, 2 billion USDT were minted today, an enormous injection of stablecoin liquidity that could soon flood the crypto markets. These are not retail moves. This is institutional capital positioning itself for the next leg up, and today could be a turning point. Chris Larsen, Ripple's co-founder, is scheduled to meet with Paul Atkins, the new chairman of the US SEC. Rumors are already circulating that they may discuss the approval of XRP spot ETFs or even a potential resolution to the long-running legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. This lawsuit, which began in 2020, has weighed heavily on XRP for years, and a favorable outcome would open the door to massive institutional inflows. The meeting is set to take place during the Blockchain Futures event this very Friday. If something significant is brewing, and all signs suggest it might be, we could soon see an announcement that reshapes the landscape for XRP and crypto regulation in the U.S. At the same time. Ripple is expanding its global footprint. The company officially announced yesterday that the Middle East and Africa are now among the fastest growing regions for enterprise-level crypto adoption. Receiving the first ever blockchain license in Dubai puts Ripple far ahead of other ISO 20022 compliant projects in the region, including XDC. No other blockchain company has received this level of regulatory clarity and official approval in Dubai. Ripple stands alone. Even outside of finance, crypto is creeping into everyday culture. The highly anticipated game GTA 6 has been delayed until May 2026, and Take-Two stock dropped 10% on the news. But what's interesting here is that GTA 6 is confirmed to include cryptocurrency integration. Yes, crypto is about to go mainstream through one of the most iconic gaming franchises in history that between billion-dollar stablecoin minting, record-breaking Bitcoin investments, regulatory shifts, and Ripple's international expansion. It's clear. The future of XRP is accelerating right now. Pay attention. The next move might be the one that changes everything. Let me know what you think is coming after this SEC Ripple meeting.